Hi, and thank you for watching this video to learn about the IRS Free File program delivered by TurboTax. The purpose of this video is to show you how easy it is to use this software and to hopefully give you the confidence to try it on your own to do your taxes for tax year 19. The first place that you'll come to is the Create Your Account page. I'm going to walk you through this part and get you into the program, and I'll stop right before we enter any financial information. You have to enter your email address, your user ID, a phone number that you can receive a text message at so that you can log back in with additional security, and you'll create your own password. I've already done this for our fake taxpayer, so you can see what it looks like. You'll enter your email address twice. You'll create a user ID that can be your email address if you'd like, or you can make it something different. Again, your phone number that you can have a text message sent to. If that's not an option, you can unclick this box, but it's an extra layer of security if you can include it. And then a password that will have 8 digits, letters and numbers, uppercase and lowercase, and some additional character. When you click Create Account, it will take you into the product itself. Please, please, please make sure that you write down all of this information carefully, because you will need to log back into the product in order to complete your return. This is the landing page for the product that you will be brought to. A couple of things I want to point out. First of all, along the left-hand column here, you see the menu bar that tells you the different steps in the process that you will follow. First, you'll enter your demographic information, you'll do your federal return, it'll transfer over to your state return before a review and a file. Secondly, up here across the top is what we call the tally bar, and this is where, as you complete your return, you'll see that the amount of your federal refund and ultimately your state refund, or if you owe any money. That's where you can see your progress so far. Down here in the bottom right is the continue button. That's where it's always going to be. So as you go from the one screen to the next, if you don't see the continue bar, you just need to scroll down so that you can see it, and that's where you're always going to find it to proceed to the next page. And then lastly, throughout all of the pages, you will see words that are blue, and when you hover over them, they become underlined and they are a hyperlink. And what that means is that if you click on them, an additional help page will appear that will help you understand what that is all about. If that isn't enough information and you're still concerned, then you can click on the search bar at the very top. Just click on the search icon, and it will take you out to our help page, where you see the phone number that you can call, because we are here to help you with your IRS Free File program delivered by TurboTax. You will enter information about yourself, your name, your date of birth, social security number, your occupation, and then answer a few additional questions that will help the product determine what filing status you qualify for, as well as what state returns to complete. All of these questions that you've been answering have been leading us to this screen, which tells you what your filing status is. There are other options besides head of household, but our fictional taxpayer is head of household for his case. And now you'll see a summary of all the personal info that you've entered. Of course, you can edit anything or trash anything if it's incorrect. You can add more dependents if you need to. And you're going to make sure that everything is correct before you pass to the next page. So this is where I'm going to stop. I hope that this video has convinced you that you have the skill set to give this a try and do your taxes on your own using the IRS-sponsored Free File program delivered by TurboTax. That if you have any questions, there'll be plenty of support available for you inside the product, but also from the organization that sent you this email, and that you're going to have a great experience of doing this for yourself and by yourself. I wish you the best of luck. Go ahead, get started. In addition to answering questions about your marital status, it'll ask if you have any children that you support.